Hi everyone, and welcome to the Eden Ecotourism Farm. Since October 2022, we've been developing the brand new compost and humus matrix, organic matter-based fertilization system, using vegetable leftovers, processing wastes, and composted animal manure to make humus, which is essential for increasing the phosphorus rate found in the soil. This guarantees healthier, faster growing, and totally organic crops. This year, we've been reaping different sorts of legumes, such as lima beans and common beans. There's also a variety of tubers highlighting the white carrots and the soon-be-to-harvested fields of potatoes. The students work together doing a set of pre-harvest processes.